An ad account is not only a place to run ad, it's your business control center. So today in this video, I will show you how you can create an ad account step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry about this. So without further ado, let's start. To create an ad account, go to settings and click accounts and click add accounts. Once you are in, click add. Then click create a new ad account. Now fill these details like account name and time zone. Click next. Select my business here. Again click next. Then here we need to confirm an ad account to our business portfolio. So just click here and click create ad account. Here you can add your payment information and click done. So now we have successfully created our ad account.